Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn about the water cycle. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when we release new videos. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on, above and below the surface of the Earth. It's a fascinating process that plays a crucial role in sustaining life on our planet. You might have learned about the water cycle before, but here's a fun fact. Did you know that if you were to spread the water from all of Earth's oceans out into a thin layer, it would cover the entire planet to a depth of more than 1.4 miles? That's deeper than the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean. So let's dive into this amazing journey of water. So, the first step in the water cycle is evaporation. As the sun shines down on Earth's surface, it warms the water in the oceans, lakes, and rivers. This causes the water to change from a liquid state to a gaseous state, called water vapor. The water vapor then rises into the atmosphere. During evaporation, water molecules break their bonds with each other and become independent. They move faster and faster as they gain altitude because there's less air pressure at higher altitudes, which makes it easier for them to break apart. As the water vapor rises, it begins to cool down. When it reaches a certain temperature, the water vapor condenses into tiny water droplets or ice crystals, depending on the temperature. This forms clouds, which are essentially made of billions of these tiny water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere. The third step is precipitation. When the water droplets or ice crystals in clouds become too heavy, they fall to the ground in the form of precipitation. This can occur in many forms, including rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Once the precipitation reaches the Earth's surface, it flows over the land and into the oceans, lakes, and rivers, where it eventually evaporates, and the cycle begins again. But wait, there's more to the story. Some of the water that falls to the ground as precipitation soaks into the ground and becomes groundwater. This water can be stored in underground aquifers for many years. Eventually, some of this groundwater finds its way back to the surface through natural springs, or it's pumped out using wells for human use. Plants can also absorb water from the ground through their roots, and then release it into the atmosphere through a process called transpiration. Transpiration adds moisture to the atmosphere and can form clouds, which eventually leads to more precipitation. The water cycle is a continuous process that has no beginning and no end. It's a remarkable journey that water takes from the Earth's surface to the atmosphere and back again, sustaining life and shaping our planet along the way. Let's take a closer look at why the water cycle is so important. First, the water cycle is essential for all life on Earth. Plants need water for photosynthesis and animals, including humans, need water to survive. In fact, our bodies are about 60% water. Without the water cycle, we wouldn't have the water we need to drink, grow crops, or raise livestock. Second, the water cycle helps regulate Earth's temperature. When water evaporates, it takes energy with it. This cools the Earth's surface and helps prevent extreme temperatures. Clouds and precipitation also reflect and absorb solar radiation, which helps regulate the amount of heat reaching the Earth's surface. Third, the water cycle shapes Earth's surface. As water evaporates and leaves behind mineral deposits, it can create unique geological features such as salt flats and rock formations. Water also erodes and transports soil and sediment, creating valleys, canyons, and deltas. In conclusion, the water cycle is a vital process that makes life on Earth possible. From the smallest plant to the largest animal, we all depend on the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the Earth's surface. Understanding the water cycle is crucial for managing this precious resource and ensuring a sustainable future for our planet. So the next time you take a sip of water, remember the incredible journey it's been on and all the amazing things it has accomplished along the way. We hope you enjoyed learning about the water cycle. If you did, make sure to give this video a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun science videos. Thanks for watching.